Today is my birthday. Yep. I love you too, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Love you too, Mom. And I thank God for you. This is your day too. This is the day that that you worked, that you pushed hard, to bring me into this world. You know what I'm saying? So you also get the accolades. I thank God for Mama. So today is my birthday. Yep. And I am in DC, about to head out to the wharf, and I'm actually gonna get on a scooter. So I'm gonna try to get on a scooter to make my way into DC. Actually, I'm already in DC. So hi y'all, today's my birthday. Hi to me, hi to everybody. And I'm really happy, I'm excited. I'm getting ready to go to the wharf to just check out, be by the water, reflect, just show gratitude for this day, set my intentions for next year and hand that over to God and let God bless it. Allow God to bless it and just pray that my intentions align with His will. So yeah, so I'm gonna get on the scooter right here and just pray to God that I get there safe. I'm actually right down the wharf anyway, so it shouldn't be a hassle. Hi. So I finally got some free time, done riding my bike, and I just left the national, what is it called? The African American Museum, the Smithsonian. And first of all, I don't even know how I ended up there. All I know is that I got on the scooter, one of those scooter things that are usually just lying around, and I've been wanting to get on those for a minute. So I was like, today is my birthday. I will get on that thing by force. By what? Fire. So I got on it from L'Enfant Plaza, and I just rode around, hoping that it would take me somewhere. I think it's about to rain. I'm not sure, but anyway. But the sun is still out. Hey, God is love is still shining on me. That's pretty much what that means. So right now, and don't even ask me why I went into the museum. I've gone there 3 times already, but it's one of those places where you can never finish exploring. There's so much to see. They're always adding new things, and you always go with a different set of eyes every time you come or every time you go. So I decided to just walk in, and now that it's been almost 3 years since they've opened it, the lines are not as busy. You can just walk in, which is amazing. Just walk in. You don't have to reserve a ticket, none of that. Now the hype has somewhat died down, so I was able to take my time to look at the things that I may have missed the first few times I've been. So that was actually, you know, really good, and also deep as well. There's some floors that you go on and you're just like, man, like, us Black people, like, we have tried, but we are still surviving. We are still thriving. That's the beautiful part of it. But anyway, enough about that. So I decided to get on a bike because my phone is dead, and it's so funny too because I had to like ask people like, how do I get to the wharf? So it was actually kind of cool, like taking it back to the old school days. We actually had to ask for directions as opposed to just using your phone to try to figure out where you're trying to go to. Don't mind this head, it's still just getting in my face. Guess where baby's taking me? I wanted some cheesecake, and where are we at, babe?
We're at Cheesecake Factory.
Yep, about to get some what?
Cheesecake.
And some dinner, because ain't nobody cooking.
Some brown bread.
Yes, the brown bread is to die for. Okay. So I'm excited. So this is the end of, I guess the end of the first day of my birthday? Thank you. The end of the first day of my birthday. Cold. I remember this place is always cold. For some reason, it's always cold.